Assalamu alaikum everyone. As Muslims, when we do our shahada, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, the second part of this part of our declaration of faith is really about us striving how we can become more like the Prophet ﷺ. And that is my goal in my book, to help us to take what we already know, increase our knowledge of course, and be able to use strategies that come from highly developed fields such as psychology, and be able to implement the Sunnah of the Prophet, especially in the character aspects. So I'm sure you've had many times where you've wished you could, for example, how can I be more patient? How can I have more resiliency? How can I have unconditional love and mercy towards others? This is the goal of my book, and in my book I share with you strategies and skills, practice for how to develop those kind of qualities. So get on board, and I'd love to hear your feedback on how you're going. Take care, Assalamu alaikum.